Hey guys, today I'll be doing problem 41 from section 6.2. The problem goes like this. So there's a community college that has a main campus and a satellite campus, and the main campus has an enrollment of 25,000 students and a faculty of 465 instructors. The satellite campus has an enrollment of 2,600 students and a faculty of 47 instructors. So the college wants to hire one new instructor, and we're supposed to use the Hill-Huntington numbers to determine which location should receive the new instructor. So to start, we'll look at the Hill-Huntington number definition from the book, where it states that HHN for Hill-Huntington number is equal to the state's population squared divided by n over n plus 1, where n equals the state's current number of seats, right? Now that we have this, let's take a look at the problem and try to identify what's important. So obviously it's a word problem and we have some numbers here. I think those will be important. So let's get the main campus. We have enrollment of 25,000 as well as faculty of 465, and we'll get the satellite too. So the satellite campus enrollment is 2,600 as well as faculty of 47. And it doesn't look like there's anything else important enough to highlight, so we'll stick with that. Now, let's define what n is. So n is the state's current number of seats, and because we have the state's population, we'll use that as students. That can only mean that the faculty instructors would be n. So now that we know that, we can start making a table. So over here, we'll have, how about, we'll have the population right here. And, okay. Faculty, right? And we'll have one last row right down here for HHN, what we are trying to find, right? On top, we'll have the different campuses. So we'll have main and satellite. We'll put this as sat. Right. So now it's just a matter of filling in the table. So again, our main campus, what's the population? Well, up here it says 25,000 students, so that's what we'll put, 25,000. And how about the population for the satellite campus? Well, it says 2,600. Okay, good enough for me. And how about the faculty instructors? 465 and 47 respectively. 465, 47. Right. Now to find the HHN number, we're going to have to use this formula. So let me just grab that. And where should I put this? Oh, we'll just delete it. I mean, we kind of know what it is already, so we'll just delete that. So we have state's population squared over n divided by n times n plus 1. Alright, I hope you remember that. So we'll start with main. We'll start main sub HHN. Right, is equal to, well, it was state's population squared divided by 465, which is n, times n plus 1. So 465 plus 1 is going to be 466. And if you pull out your calculator, do the math, you will get 2,884.30 roughly, right? So now that we have this, we'll just put it down here, 2,884.30. Okay, now let's get rid of that. We don't need that. Now we'll do satellite sub Hill Huntington number. And same process, we'll have the population above squared. Divide this by n times n plus 1. Well, that's 47 plus 1 is 48. And if you pull your calculator here, you will get roughly 2,996.45. Okay, and we'll put this into the table as well. Okay, so we have filled out our table, and now we can use these HHN numbers to determine which campus should receive the new instructor. And to do that, we just look at which Hill Huntington number is greater, right? And in this case, it's quite obvious that the satellite campus, the Hill Huntington number is greater than the main campuses. So the answer will be the satellite campus. So sat receives, I think I spelled receives wrong, but oh well. Receives the new instructor. Yay, and this is our answer. Quite simple. So we're just using the Hill Huntington number and plugging in all the information and then comparing the main and satellite Hill Huntington numbers. Alright, that's all for today. Thank you.